I bought these power strips just based on their price, like $2, 3 and 3. And based on their pictures, I saw that some of them had screws, so I assume that they are repair friendly. And also, they don't have child protection. Yeah, that's an important one for me, because it's always aggravating when you try to push in the plug and it doesn't go, because there's an imperfection in the plastic in the protection and it doesn't want to slide away. And yeah, even when it's working properly, it's really annoying to have to push that hard. So yeah, these seem really nice. Just push in and out, in and out. Also this one, it's a little harder, but same thing, in and out. Yeah, and also this one. Oh, it has ceramic rings here. Yeah, when they try to pretend that they are fire safe. Yeah, this has ceramic. This has plastic. This is funny, the rings are actually plastic. As they rub up against the fork, it doesn't scratch, so yeah. And this one is only plastic. So yeah, no surprise there. So let's take them apart and let's see what's inside. If they are all cheap pieces of crap. I wouldn't say pieces of crap, because I like cheap. I mean the cheap designs. I specifically want to see the ground pins, because that's something that gets overlooked, especially in cheap products. Oh, this screw is gone bad. This works. Maybe broken off. And also there's a problem on this. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but there's a bulge here in the plastic. Maybe something hit it from the inside, and it yeah, it has a mark here. We'll have to see what that is. And this is also broken, I suppose. Also this. What? They were hammered in or something, because the other 3 screws came out like 3 millimeters on top. So let's see. What did they do? Ooh. Yeah. Okay. This is really bad. The screws are stripped out. You can see here. And the soldering job, let me just show you. It's barely hanging on. I mean, this is not how you solder. Right here. And also this one. Just soldered on the top like that. I mean, it may be okay, but not up to code. Like, this is not how you solder. This one, the ground, that seems a bit better. But that's also not very relevant, because you don't need a strong connection there. So, yeah. And also, there's oxidation on this. I don't know what they... Oh, on both sides here. Something poured in. Yeah. And on this part, where's the bulge? Come on, this won't stay here. Oh, where is it? Oh, here. So here's the bulge. You can see it like that. And what is that? Oh, this one. So that's an assembly error. Maybe that's where the... Yeah, that's where the... Oh, that is holding on one of the strips. So, Yeah, that's probably where they soldered it or something, or the wire got stuck. Yeah. So this has defects, and whenever you're buying cheap stuff, you should take them apart to see what's going on, because there may be mistakes or accidental damage, even water. So, let's turn the camera back here. What's going on? Why has it twisted? Okay. This has also 6 screws, but on the other side. The back is... oh, it has holes here. I thought liquids can't get in from the bottom, but yeah, there are 2 holes here that can be used for mounting. So yeah, let's see this one. Small screws here. Not stripped out. They are tightened just right. Yes, and this one, let's see. This is also okay. So yeah, this was $3 but without the cable. So in theory this has a correct price. I don't know how to tell you that. So it's probably not defective. Just lacks a cable, that's why it's cheap. Ooh! This is nice. Look, it's all sealed. The contacts are sealed except in the middle. So you touch it there and... okay. Wow. This is kind of nice. Well, a bit bulging here. But that's just plastic and it will be pushed back in by the bottom. And wow. Actually, an additional screw for every ground thing contact. That's an interesting idea. I only saw that in higher end power strips. So yeah. Oh, you can open it from here. Let's open one side. Come on, like this. And yeah, kind of rough around the edges. I mean, it's scraping my skin. But yeah, that's why it's covered, so you don't hurt yourself. And here are the 2 contacts for the 2 wires. What do you call them? L and N, whatever they are. I'm not an electrician. So yeah. Oh, and you can see the bottom of the screws here. That's nice. So yeah, I think this one is the best quality out of the 3. And oh, you have to put it on the top side and then on the bottom. Okay, that's good to know. And it almost fits. Go in. Oh, the plastics need to go into the holes there. And then the bottom can go on. And 6 screws, let's put them aside for now. And let's see the smallest one. I mean, this makes, from one of these, it makes 4 of those. 2 slim connectors and 2 standard connectors. So from this, 2 wires can go on both ways, and these stupid little tiny ones just vertically. So yeah, this may be practical behind some furniture, or yeah, these need to be bent plugs to be practical. Yeah, whatever, you can use them in many situations. $2. And this one has the ceramic rings here. You can hear it scratches. Okay, let's take it apart. And in theory, this can be made with 3 pieces of metal. One for each pin. For 2 pins and the ground thing. So let's see. Did they optimize it? Oh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, they mostly did. So the ground that comes directly from these pins right here, you can take them out. So it's basically one piece, but they connected several of them together with really cheap punch through bits, nits, what do you call them? I don't know what's called. And here, yeah, the leads need to go in an X pattern. So, yeah, they are suspiciously close here. And, yeah, mostly okay, I think. These are the ceramic bits. I like these. But you can also take them out if you don't like them. And then you have a simple connector. But yeah, here, if it gets hot or something, it burns away this tiny little piece of plastic that holds the 2 leads separate. And yeah, maybe you can have a sparky spark there and a short circuit, but that's not very likely. And yeah, let's just take off these 2 screws because I want to see how they are connected to the pins. If these screws are not tightened properly, maybe then it can heat up and do some damage. So not this one. You have to take off the other one first because that's the top one. Oh, and they didn't use... maybe fine. It's just one piece of metal going around and back. And it should be fine. Come on out. Why doesn't that screw want to come out? Oh, it's a small thread. What do you call it? Metal thread. Maybe it needs a little help because it's going through plastic. Yeah. Look at the long screw. Oh boy. And the other part fell out. So basically this stays just here on in the end. Look, it's barely going in. And the screw has to reach from here to there. That's interesting. But yeah, it shouldn't be a problem if it's properly tightened. Yeah, I have to check the other one. So yeah, it was a bit loose. So that's why I say always take things apart, even the expensive things, because once you see everything's okay, you will have peace of mind that you're not exposed to the minimum wage factory workers that assemble these. You're not exposed to their competence. I mean, their competence won't affect your life. If you tighten it down, it shouldn't be a problem. Yeah, lefty loosey, righty tighty. Just torque it with feel, and there you go. It works. For $2, I think this is very well designed. And yeah, the material is kind of flimsy, but if you don't use it too much, I mean, It should last for a long time, but let me just pinch it a bit because it's kind of weird. But yeah, it shouldn't be a problem. It should sustain 16 amps for what it's rated. And yeah, just put it together, and yeah, there you go. Nice $2 splitter that can do, I think, at least 16 amps based on the... Oh, I forgot the... Oh boy, you can leave that out actually. I just noticed the ground. You can leave that out if you want, or just put it back in. It's symmetrical, and hopefully it doesn't touch the... Was it supposed to be screwed in here? Or is just held by these two here on the two ends? I guess only on the ends. So now put it together, and you also have ground. Come on! Something is not touching properly here. Oh, there's this crap manufacturing defect. Not defect, like stuff left over from the mold. Yeah, whatever. Let's just put it back. And yeah, I leave links in the description for this stuff. And it's on a Romanian site, but you can find it basically anywhere, for sure, on AliExpress and other cheap sites like that. And yeah, I always advise people to take stuff apart to see, especially this electrical stuff. Take it apart, and if you know basic electronics at least, see if things aren't touching. That's the main thing. And this doesn't want to go together. I will have to cut those pieces of plastic there, but yeah, there you go. Links in the description. See you next video.